That basically means that Google agreed to pay Samsung or cover any losses that Samsung incurred if they were sued by a third party, right?
No, I mean, essentially, we don't know all the details, but it does look like there's definitely a financial relationship there. And it's really fascinating because this trial has been sort of a separation. You know, Apple's made the point over and over again. This is just about Samsung. We're not trying to go after Google. But suddenly, we see this connection between Samsung and Google on a very financial basis.
So this is coming out of video testimony from a Google patent attorney, James McCoon. What exactly did he say? I mean, has Google already paid Samsung?
Well, see, that's what the big question is we know there's, again, some sort of relationship there, but we don't know the details. And you know, there's been reports out there that there's been other indemnifications for other providers in the Android ecosystem. And let's not forget, I mean, Samsung's a very, very key, if not the most important Android partner here for Google.
And Samsung's lawyers have called this an attack on Google. What does Google really have at stake here?
Well, I mean, Google...
An attack on Android, I should say.
Yeah. I mean, Google is, for years now, has had this huge sort of proxy battles all over the world that it's been dealing with. And Google wants to see Android protected, stay safe. It dominates the world now. It's completely beat back the iPhone. But obviously, Apple is not going to go down without a fight. And so Google wants to win every battle it can. And this is a very important one today.
So what's the next phase of this?
Well, I mean, yeah, and that's the big question. I mean, some people say that, you know, no matter what happens, it's kind of a PR battle, that Apple wants to show, hey, we're the good guys here and Samsung's the bad guys. But, you know, I think that no matter what happens, it's going to be even more interesting because they've already got $1 billion or so from Samsung in the first trial. If they get close to what they're asking for $2 billion this time, that would be just really interesting. And we don't know yet. I mean, it's still very early, but this could be big.